think that through engaging with research, citizens can have an impact on decisions that are important in their daily lives. So it's important that all research isn't restricted just within universities and the agenda set by people within those universities. But if you can take in research questions from wider society, then the results that come up with will reflect their needs as well. So I work in Cambridge University, where we have Cambridge Community Knowledge Exchange, which is a small science shop, and we take in research questions from civil society. We've done a number of research projects for Cambridge Women's Aid, which is a domestic violence organisation in Cambridge, and through these research projects we've been able to get important research done on issues that affect them, which are then they can be used to influence policy at higher levels. I've also come across, not directly, but several other different projects. For example, a lot of research into people with disabilities and design. So by involving the people with disabilities that the product is ultimately going to be designed for throughout every stage of the process, you can really make sure it meets their needs and requirements. Whereas sometimes that can just be either at one stage of the process rather than all the way through, and then end up not meeting their needs. Within the university, I would just say kind of having a culture change within the organisation that would mean that this is recognised as the best practice, so that it can be applied as something that happens naturally. But how to do that is a very much more difficult question. I would hope that it's much more open. All citizens are much more engaged and can see more opportunities for them to get involved in the framing of research questions within academic institutions and others, so that they can really set the agenda for the research that's being done, so it can be research that influences their daily lives a lot more.